Guys, let me walk you through how to do a fuel filter change on it. I'm kind of midpoint right now, and I got the idea to do a video for you also. Let's go. David's behind the camera, so thank you, Dave, for helping us today. Here, get on the ladder. Alrighty, fellas. Dave, you want to show them where everybody knows where the caps are, but back there, you're gonna find two caps. One of them looks like this, without the socket on it. And the other one, Dave, you want to show them the other one? No, Dave. Here, I'll help you. You see that black cap? Yep. So both of them are 28 millimeter sockets right here. 28 millimeter sockets. This is my first time. Truck has 10,000 miles. And let me tell you this. I'm not doing it at 10 anymore. Next one's going to be 15, but it's looking like more of a 20,000 mile interval. Just my a visual inspection. Dave, you want to show them the filters we have on the bench here? We'll go to the bench. I was just talking to my guys. You know, that's pretty much barely any miles. That's what a filter should look like after 15,000, and that's a careless owner. You see, if you look at these filters, these are the filters that came out. You see that spot right there? I'm guessing this is where majority of the fuel came in. I'm guessing the supply line ran right into it. So with that being said, it's very light. This one really doesn't have a whole lot to it, and this is 10,000 miles. We're gonna go up to 15 on the next turnaround, but I really feel like we're gonna be running on about 20 to be to achieve that color. I think that's a fair color. That's about 15,000 miles on the predecessor. Anyways, guys, just hang with us and we'll show you the rest. Dave, show them the engine bay. Put it on pause real quick. Alrighty, guys, we're back at it. So now you guys know my thought process as far as mileage goes. So something that stood out to me, it happened on the first one. Hey, Dave, show them the first one and the second one. If you look carefully, you see how loosey-goosey this thing is? I don't know what's causing it, but it ain't. It ain't fuel rated is the first thing that comes to my mind. Same thing was with the smaller one. You guys realize there's two filters, right? The back one's the larger one, which is this one, and then the front cap. Dave, show them the front cap so they know exactly what I'm talking about. You can't reach it. Here you go. So that one right there, the closed one, that guy right there. That black cap, yep, that's a fuel filter as well. Had the same issue, which is really concerning what they're doing there at the manufacturer. Now, I really hope they fix this issue, because just by looking at this O-ring we have here, it looks, a little smaller, so therefore means that one's most likely swollen, but it's snug on there. You know what I mean? Just like the other filter, it's gonna fit on there pretty snug, so that's good. Now, as far as installing O-rings, I just lube them up with the product that they're sealing. So if it's oil, I lube them with oil. If this is fuel, in this case, I would lube them with fuel. Now, as far as installing and removing installation, it's really simple, guys. Dave, you want to help me with this thing, Cameron? So as far as removing installation, it's literally the way it looks. So you have a cap here that you unbolt. It is a 28 millimeter cap. Now, with that being said, it's a royal pain to get in there. So I don't know what I can tell you as far as best way to do it. I'll just show you what I did. I started out with a half inch, because that's the size of my socket as far as the driver goes, and I was adjusting accordingly. What I have found that worked the best for me is grabbing one of these swivel heads, a good old Pittsburgh, and a converter. I had to use a converter because of my drive being half inch, but I'm pretty sure there's 28 millimeter 3/8 drive. Anyways, so as I'm going in there, right, I'm adjusting literally just like I'm showing you. I go all the way to the left. Here, Dave, let's pause the video, and as I'm assembling it, we'll show them. Hold on a second, don't pause it quite yet. Let's show them the filter before we install it. Guys, these are premium filters. These are some solid filters, nanotechnology, as far as I could tell with the part number. Let's show them the part number there. Anytime fleet guard has a, so FK in my opinion stands for filter kit, and then when you have the NN on the back, that means nanotechnology, nanonet technology. So if you're curious on the fleet side, the fleet guard side, that's the part number for it. So there you have it. Really solid filters, I really like them. And that's the Chrysler side. That's the kit form. Anyways, fellas, plastic's plastic. It has come a long way. I'm not gonna bash on it too much. I could only imagine if they did some kind of metal, it'd be a lot more money. But the net inside is what I'm really liking. Yeah, Dave, you can't really tell in the video. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna install this thing and I'm gonna start recording once I'm assembling to show you the approach that I have with the ratchet, because it's pretty tight in there. Go ahead and pause it. Alrighty, guys, like I was trying to show you the way I use the ratchet. There has to be a better way. This is some kind of royal paint stuff. Now, once again, before I ask my guys to do a job, I do it myself. So, for the curious ones, why is Paul getting himself all awkward and getting this thing done? So, oh geez, you can't see jack squiggly. Dave, can you come hold the camera from this angle? Anyways, guys, so you see where I'm coming at? From the bottom, I'm coming over and then up and over. I don't know why it's so tough, but that's just how the cookie crumbles on this one. It came out very snug out. Now it's going in very snug. So with that being said, just how it is. You're just gonna have to work your way out and around. I had a swivel until I dropped it in the oil, so I don't have a swivel anymore. So this is like a halfway swivel for me. That's how I do it. Anyways, guys, 28mm socket's gonna go on there real tight. They have it specifically so you don't lose your cap when you unscrew it. You gotta grab the whole thing, and kind of thoughtful. Thank you to them. It's enough room to pull it out just fine, but it's definitely pretty awkward getting your tools in there. First one I did through here with an extension, so the angle is not as bad. Man, the lighting's horrible. And then that one just ratchet and you go to town. Anyways, fellas, I'll follow up this video with comparison of filters and why I think 1520 is more appropriate for my case scenario. I think it's more important how many gallons you burnt instead of how many miles you've done. Anyways, guys, may the good Lord bless you. Oh, Dave, look at you. Those are the two caps we were referring to. May the good Lord bless you. May almighty fine day, and hopefully I won't forget to tighten this thing before I turn the key, because it's going to piss some diesel on us. Oh, close your valves too. Both valves are down there. The funny thing is the front one drained just fine. You see that yellow one? But the second one that's further back, you can kind of see it poking out past that 90 from the fuel fitting. That didn't really drain much fuel, because once I released the back cap, it was, you know, quite a bit of fuel came out, which kind of found odd. Anyways, hopefully this helps. May the good Lord bless you. Ciao, bye.